Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is creative and unique because in this video I'm going to show how you can use hand embroidery, flower designs, hand embroidery, floral patterns or different types of creative and unique and at the same time easy to make hand embroidery designs for making different type of creativities, for utilizing different type of creative items as well. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and by subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now friends, let's move back towards our video. As you know that health is our most important and it should be our prior concern in our lives. Then the only way to secure our lives, to ensure our health and to ensure our safety with regarding to health perspective, we should make a habit of wearing mask. And when we talk about wearing mask, then we a little bit got some sort of touchy about our outfits. So the answer and the problem of ruining the complete outfit look is being resolved. I am sharing a pretty stylish and creative 3D style pattern, new latest technique of hand embroidery design ideas with a very beautiful mixture and blend of colorful embroidery floral patterns and to give a more creative and designer type touch to your whole outfit. So all of these masks are purely made on organic cotton, on a soft, reusable, washable linen fabric and a soft blended Turkish lawn. With this fabric, you can wear these masks whole day long, how tidy or workable your day is. Keep a habit of wearing masks daily while going out for work, and also make a habit of wearing masks to your children as well while leaving for school, college or university, to stay protected from viral infectious diseases as well. So I hope that you like my today's ideas of beautiful embroidery patterns, and do try these patterns. And if you don't know the art of embroidery, you can show these very beautiful patterns to a nearby embroidery artist as well. You can also make these patterns onto machine embroidery as well, computer embroidery as well, and you can also do the art of fabric painting on these patterns as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments, and stay tuned for the upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and be positive. Keep trying to achieve your goals. Work hard. And keep supporting us as you always have been by watching my content.